I was actually scrolling down on Play Store searching for an app I can actually perform tasks, and I see this one called Third Party App on the Play Store. And I decided to log in and actually test it to know how it works, and this is what I found out. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform your tasks on this app and how you can actually navigate the app, and also how you can actually withdraw on this app step by step. I'm going to cover everything on this video. Just make sure you pay attention as usual, okay? In case it's your first time coming across this channel, my name is Faith. All I do here is I test and review an app where you can actually earn extra income online. Please, but before I proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I'm sharing my personal experience with two-party app. I do not guarantee any earning, reward, or successful withdrawal. Result may vary from person to person. Please do your own research before joining or investing your time in any online platform, okay? Make sure you do your own research very well, because I'm going to be sharing what I experienced on this app, okay? Guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the main video. All you need to do is for you to head over to the Play Store, check if it is available on your region, because I noticed that this app is not available in all regions. Make sure you check the availability on Play Store before proceeding, okay? Just make sure you go to Play Store and download two-party app. We are going to be seeing it on the description, and you can actually see it on this video, okay? So all you need to do is for you to log in with your Google account, okay? Now you can see that you need to agree the terms and services. Once you agree the terms and services, you need to go ahead and sign. As you can see, Google login. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my Google account and show you step by step how to do that, what you need to do in order for you to actually perform your tasks on this app, because there is a lot of things you need to do before you can actually perform your tasks, okay? Now I need to go ahead and sign up with my Google account. As you can see, signing in. Now I'm going to be choosing the Google account I want to use here, okay? So let me just choose the Google account I want to use, and it's going to bring me to this interface, okay? They're going to ask me my gender. Now, before selecting this agenda, be very careful, because you cannot be able to modify it again, okay? So all you need to do is for to choose your region. Of course, I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to make sure I choose Nigeria, okay? All you need to do is for to select your country. Now always make sure you cross-check this agenda, okay, before submitting, because once you submit it, you cannot be able to modify it again. Now they're going to ask me to upload my invitation code, though I don't even have invitation code saved, but I need to go ahead and choose my nickname, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and choose Mimi, because Mimi is actually my nickname, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and write it. Then, okay, let me just go ahead and put on this one, Mimi. My network is actually delaying me now, because I don't even have network enough to record this video, but I have to, because this app is a new app, okay? I have to. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and upload your profile picture, which is you, okay? So go ahead and upload the profile picture you want to use here, but as always say here, make sure you cross-check your agenda very well, very important, before submitting it, because after submitting you cannot be able to modify this thing again, okay? Now you can see that I need to go ahead and select female. Then I need to click on join. You can see join two party, okay? Now I need to go ahead and show you something you need to do that is very important, okay? Before submitting this thing, make sure you cross-check your country very well, because after that you cannot be able to modify it again. If you're from Nigeria, choose Nigeria. Then I need to click on join. As you can see, click and join. Now it's gonna bring me to this interface. They're gonna ask me, as you can see, hot party life. Of course, this app is actually live and party, okay? You can choose any one you like and do the one you like, okay? Either you choose party or you choose live streaming. You choose live streaming. For me, I usually go on party, because it actually saved me a lot of stress, okay? So but if you love streaming, showcasing yourself, it's okay. You can actually do live streaming. For me, I usually do party. Okay, so now you can see that a lot of people have freed this app. Lots of Nigerians, different country, people from Philippines, a lot of country are already on this particular app. Now I need to go ahead and actually edit my profile picture, because I need to edit my profile. Like I said before, make sure you choose your country wisely here. Okay, now I'm gonna select the picture I want to use to add here as my profile picture. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick this picture of mine. I'm gonna pick this picture of mine and save it. Okay, so now as you can see, I've uploaded successful and my name is that. When I'm actually recording this video, I'm not yet an agent, because I'm going to show you, for those of you that love to become agent in app, I'm going to show you how to do that. Or if you want to become agency, you can actually comment on the comment section below. I want to become agency. I'm going to send you an agent link, like the link you can actually use it to join as an agent and start working on it. Okay, or if you want to become a host, I can actually drop my ID on the pinned comment below, so that you can actually join an agency. Okay, if you want to become agency, the link actually going to be on the pinned comment below. Okay, if you want to join as a host, is available. My ID is going to be down on the pin comment below. Now I've already become an agency, okay, without you using link, like without agency sending you link to join agency, you cannot be able to do that without a link to join it. Okay, now as you can see, I've become an agency. This is how you're gonna do your tax. All you need to do is for you to click on the tax section. Okay, you see this tax, you can see join party and crown for 1 hour. Okay, now you can see 2,500 for 1 hour. Now let us read what they write that you need to do before your tax will start count, because you might sit on your seat for, let me say for 1 hour and it is not, can be like, this thing is not counting. No, let me just go out. No, I experienced it before. When I recorded this video, I haven't done my tax, but later, now I'm recording this particular video, I have done my second tax, and this is what happens to me. Okay, I sit on crown seat for 1 hour and my taxes didn't count until I stayed there for 4 minutes before my tax start count. As you can see, 1 to 5 minutes continuously on mic will be counted as effective time. Okay, effective time. You can see all reward are settled in diamond and user needs to be claim it. Okay, now all you need to do is for you to go ahead and read all of that. Okay, for you to understand this app very well. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and um go to room and show you how to do that. Okay, all you need to do is for you to click on go. Okay, if you come to this task, you're going to see go. Now you need to go, they need to add in your profile picture, like the profile picture on your room. They need to add your room, this thing, your room title, then you add your hashtag, then you select the room, the type of room you want. If you want it 16, it's okay, it depends on your choice. Okay, now I'm gonna add 3 room because I don't have much people that is here. Then I need to go ahead and allow permission. As you can see, I've already appeared here. Okay, for you to perform your task, you need to sit here for 1 to 5 um continuously hour on your mic before your tax will start counting. Now you can see that they have games, they have lucky gift, they have lottery gift, they have magic. You can see that they have it, and the thing I like about this app is that they don't even have higher lucky gift. Okay, because there is an app that we go and they will have like 10,000 lucky gifts, 20,000 lucky gifts, and this app doesn't have that one. Okay, it's just an let me say 100 for lucky gifts and all of that. Okay, you can see that it actually has a lot of features here. As you can see, they have where you can actually play music, and it's actually very okay, and their game is okay. I haven't played the game yet, but seeing it, it's okay for me. Now You can see that for those of you might be asking, Faith, how can I know if my tax is counting? Where can I see it? Pay attention. Now, I click on these three dots and I notice that there is no way you will see if your tax is counting except if you close your mic. Okay, now you're gonna see this plus sign here. Okay, see this plus sign here, you need to click on it and close it. But before you can actually proceed to close your life, make sure you check your time. Always make sure you check your time. But for now, I'm recording this particular video. I doesn't have anywhere that like you will be on your life and be checking your reward. I haven't seen that unless you turn off your live stream. Okay, this is what I noticed here because I tried a lot of things in order for me to know, like to stay on my party to know if it is my tax is counting, but there is no way. There is no way. Okay, so now you can see that there is the tax and everything, and also for those of you might actually go ahead and create your room without following this process, like your tax might not count. Okay, I experienced it. That is why I'm saying this. I don't know if it is like this on your own. Now you can see this is actually the live streaming. Okay, if you want to do live streaming, this is actually the live streaming you can do. If you love live streaming, you can go for it. Okay, now you can see this is tax level, agency and all of that. Like I said before, if you want to join agency, you are good to go. Now this is how you can actually withdraw on this app. Okay, you can see wallet, you need to click on wallet, and this is how the interface is going to show. As you can see, the balance of coins and actually income. Before you can withdraw, you need to click on income. Okay, if you click on income, this is how you're going to see it. As you can see, payroll agent official. Okay, if you want to withdraw with payroll agent, always bear it in mind that that means you want to withdraw through coin seller. Okay, but if you don't want to withdraw with coinseller, you want to withdraw with official, all you need to do is to click on official. Okay, if you click on official, you're going to notice that you're going to see select region. You can going to see Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Goba and Brazil. For those of you might be from Philippines, you need to go ahead and click on Philippines. You can see Philippine local bank. Okay, for those of you that are from Africa, Ghana, Togo, a lot of Africa country or other country does not have payment method, all you need to do for you to select global. If you select global, this is the one you're going to see on the global option like PayPal and USD. If your country is not available here, like it's not available here in withdrawing with local currency, you need to go ahead and select global and use either your PayPal or your USDT. Okay, all you need to do for your fill in your name, your email address, your phone number, and your last name and your first name. Okay, the same thing with USDT. Okay, so as you can see, the minimum you can withdraw here is actually 100 diamond because the diamond is the one they are using, and you can see that the daily limit is one withdrawal max. Okay, just one withdrawal max is the daily limit here. Okay, so you can see that if you want to withdraw with a agency, make sure you know the agency you are about to withdraw with because of Adaino. Okay, be very careful. Okay, if you have any question on the comment section, you can actually drop it on the comment section below. If you want to become agency, comment on the comment section below. If you want to join an agency, comment on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.